If you don't have indoor plants at your home yet, you are missing some fantastic benefits. In this video, we'll share 5 plants that are great air purifiers and believed to bring good fortune. And let's not forget, plants will add an aesthetic touch to your home decor without weighing down on your pocket. So, let's dive in. First up, we have the snake plant. This tough plant is known for its ability to filter toxins and improve indoor air quality. It's also believed to bring good luck, wealth, and health. Plus, it's low maintenance and can survive in low light conditions. So, if you're looking for an easy to care for plant that can keep you healthy and happy, the snake plant is the one for you. Next on our list is the money tree. This is a popular plant in feng shui and is said to attract wealth and prosperity into your home. But that's not all, it's also great at purifying the air by removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. The money tree is a symbol of good luck and is easy to care for, making it a great addition to any home. The peace lily is not only great at purifying the air and bringing peace and harmony to your home, but it's also known for its ability to absorb excess moisture from the air, making it a great plant for humid spaces. Peace lilies prefer low to medium light and should be watered once a week. The bamboo palm is not only a great air purifier and bringer of positive energy, but it's also known for its ability to improve indoor humidity levels, which can be beneficial for your skin and respiratory system. Bamboo palms prefer bright, indirect light and should be watered when the top inch of soil is dry. Lastly, the jade plant is not only a symbol of good fortune and success, but it's also known for its ability to absorb electromagnetic radiation from electronic devices. Jade plants prefer bright, indirect light and should be watered when the soil is dry to the touch. So, there you have it, 5 indoor plants that can clean the air and bring good luck to your home. Whether you're looking for a low-maintenance plant or a statement piece for your space, these plants are sure to add some positive vibes to your home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.